Kyle. Thought we were taking the hood off. He's playing peekaboo. I'm over here now. Look at that. It's a hood with legs. Whoop. I like his bug shield. Did he remind you to check these light connections? Uh-oh, he doesn't like being on film. Remember?
They're all green.
They're all green. Okay, we got these kind. We may be able to put... which end are they green in?
This side I know, but I didn't.
Then that could be what it's doing it. We've got these, right? Not with 6. I know we got 3 and 4s.
Should have at least one.
But even if we had to divide that up into 2 more plugs. What was he talking about with water in the cab? What was that all about?
The condenser green was about.
Oh, did you blow up in it and get it to... Okay.
Took my mouth and blew in and
I checked it when it was in here. It was running just fine. It was dripping on the floor. So, anyways. Oh, he's been in some mud, huh? Huh? That's it? All that's left? I want to put Troy on TV. Hey, what? Yeah, David? What do you got to get off to get the hood off?
He's just taking the grill off.
Oh. Well, I guess the radiator's coming out so that new one can go in, and then I'm gonna... What am I doing over here? Center section, fuel lines. I gotta talk to this thing. Be quiet. They think they call me Mr. Yeah, I won't tell you what they call me, but the skidder back there's got, when it gets really cold in the winter time, it starts drawing air, and you can see in the glass filter. And the guy, it's been raining and raining and raining. A lot of guys are flooded out of the woods, so they're doing some maintenance. And we're gonna replace all the fuel lines, go back to the tank, and try to figure out where that's coming from. And he's got a little center section leak, center section play. You gotta check this little girl out. This is old iron mule. Yeah, this is old. I'll show you what happened here. Piece of the rack broke off. That cylinder turns the whole boom back and forth. And something happened there. Well, usually what happens on these old galleys, there gets to be too much space behind that rack where the mesh is with the tank, the gears, and they'll actually ride on top. That could be the case. It probably got in there and it actually just snapped it out of there. So we got to take that apart, get the crane ahead, pull that rack out, and I don't know if this is 40 years old or better too. And I gotta see if we can get somebody to machine that, or if I can weld it. At this point, I don't know. But we can fix anything. You know that. You guys watch me enough, and we'll get her fixed up to the guy. You guys got anything else you want to say? Kyle's in his little trap. You want me to take that from you? That's the Western Star. I don't know much else. Now you feel right at home, behind bars. You're funny, Mike. Back here on the bunk, man. I'm just, yeah. 2 bolts, 2 springs, cables. Yeah, David. Okay. I think that's cool. It just legs hanging out there. You know, I do. When you look down here, you just see your legs. You got big feet, man. What are they, like a size 14 clown? 12? What are you, like 14?
Depends what it is. What kind of shoes.
Your work shoes.
These are 14.
14s?
Between 13 and 15 I got.
Boy, man, you got a lot of... You know, I'm gonna be a smart ass. You cover a lot of ground, man. Alright, I'll shut up and we'll do something else here. Everybody always wants to see you guys actually do something.
No, they're not.
When I'm here, I know, but that sounds like it's tight. Okay, I'm gonna leave them guys to their work. They're gonna take that hood off. It's a lot easier to work on a machine with no hood in the way. So that's what I know. So that's what a hood looks like when it's on the ground. Oh, look at this. Well, I wonder if he was having more problems than he thought. That intercooler is plugged. Wow. Which is in front of the radiator. That's not good. Well, when the boys take it off. Well, actually, Kyle is going to be going up to the other store tomorrow. He's taking over doing some of my chores. He's actually turned into, he's welding some Ponzi stuff up there for me while I'm down here. I'm going to help Troy tomorrow, hopefully help him. I got a meeting, but whatever. In the afternoon. Get this radiator out of there. Well, he must have got that. Okay, he did. He already vacked it down. All right. The AC condenser was out here too, so he's got that back down. Vacked down. So yeah, we'll come into this tomorrow and see what we're doing. What you got going on? I'm gonna do like minutes at a time here, half minutes.
Yeah.
Ooh, charge air cooler's coming off. Oh boy. Don't let that hurt you. I wonder if he had a problem with the overheat. We're on the air, Troy. Wow. That's what? That's about 80% plugged. That's a big radiator to be plugged that much. Sure, I can see through. There you go. It's a good thing we're changing the radiator. This thing will run like brand new. Should be so cold. He'll have to run extra hard just to warm up the engine so he can have heat in the cab this winter. Washing your fingers again with brake clean? Uh-oh. Drive shafts off. Yeah, okay. Parts is parts. Are they the right bolts?
Should be.
Looks like there's a lot of, well, cross threads are better than no threads, right? Why would they do that? Oh well. Everything else look right? some reason they changed the bolts on the side of all the brackets to fine thread. I think they did that just to piss us off, huh? Okay. Maybe, maybe not. Whatever. Troy, what are you doing?
Put stuff on.
Can't be scared. You're going the wrong way.
Mm-hmm. Take memo first.
Oh, yeah? Do things in order, huh? That looks clean. You can see right through it and see the fan in it. There you go. See, we actually do work around here. At least Troy does. He's always dirty. That wasn't a cut. Look at the dirt on that guy.
I don't even have.
I think you should start your own channel. Troy Tube.
Troy Dirt.
Troy Dirt. Troy Dirt with no lube. Look at that hat. I bet you that thing could walk by itself. My mom used to say that. If you didn't change your clothes for a couple days, she'd say, them clothes could stand up by themselves. You ever hear that one?
They actually do.
They do, I know.